Assalamu alaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. Classical novels have been a rich source of inspiration for filmmakers translating timeless literary works into captivating cinematic experiences. These adaptations bring beloved stories and characters to life, offering audiences a new way to engage with classic literature. From the romantic and social critiques of Jane Austen and Charlotte Brontë to the epic narratives of Victor Hugo and Charles Dickens, films based on classical novels provide a bridge between the written work and visual storytelling. The overview explores 10 notable films adapted from classical novels, highlighting how they captured the essence of their literary origins with adding unique cinematic interpretations. Here are 10 films based on classical novels, each bringing timeless literary works to the screen. Number 1 on our list is Pride and Prejudice. It was made in 2005, adapted from Jane Austen's novel. This film explores the themes of love and the social class in 19th century England. Number 2 on our list is To Kill a Mockingbird. The movie was made in 1962 based on Harper's Lee novel. This film addresses racial injustice in the American South through the eyes of a young girl. Number 3 is The Great Gatsby. This movie was made in 2013, a visually striking adaptation of F. Scott Fitzgerald novel capturing the opulence and moral decay of the Roaring Twenties. Number 4 is Jane Eyre, and this movie was made in 2011, a faithful adaptation of Charles Brontë novel about a strong-willed orphan who becomes a governess and falls in love with his enigmatic employer. Number 5 is Les Miserables, 2012. This musical film is based on Victor Hugo's epic novel, depicting the struggles of character in post-revolutionary France. Number 6 is Wuthering Heights. The movie was made in 1939, an early film adaptation of Emily Brontë novel, known for its dramatic portrayal of the turbulent romance between Heathcliff and Catherine. Number 7th one is Moby Dick. The movie was made in 1956, based on Herman Melville's novel. This film tells the story of Captain Ahbab's obsessive quest to kill the titular white whale. Number 8 one is Little Women. This movie was made in 2019. A modern adaptation of Lucia Mary Alcott's beloved novel about the March sisters and their journey from childhood to adulthood. Number 9. The Count of Monte Cristo. The movie was made in 2002, a film adaptation of Alexander Dumas' novel, focusing on themes of betrayal and revenge through the story of Edmond Dantes. Number 10th one is Oliver Twist. The movie was made in 1948, a classic adaptation of Charles Dickens' novel about a young orphan's experiences with crime and poverty in Victorian England. These films brings classical literature to life, offering new interpretation and visual representation of well-loved stories. I hope you will like my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.